I'm going to show you how to make Thai fried chicken.
The drumsticks will have a light and crispy crust made with rice flour. They will be very tasty with the lemongrass and the spices. Start by marinating the chicken. Make some cuts in the drumsticks to allow the marinade to penetrate well. Put them in a mixing bowl. Finely slice 2 lemongrass. They are often used for meat marinade in Thailand. They bring a lemony fragrance without being acidic. Keep the end for making soup. Put the sliced part in a mortar. Pound it to release its flavors. Peel 3 cloves of garlic. Crush them as well. Do the same with 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Prepare 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Put them in a mortar. Also add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Mix well. Pour the marinade over the chicken and combine. Let it marinate for a minimum of 4 hours in the fridge, ideally overnight, to enhance the flavors even more. Mix 3/4 cup of rice flour and half cup of water. This mixture will become a delicious light and crispy crust. Furthermore, it protects the chicken meat during frying. Don't forget to take the chicken out of the fridge 1 hour before cooking, so that it reaches room temperature. This allows for even cooking. Put the rice flour mixture over the chicken. Mix well. To make the chicken drumsticks very crispy, we will fry them twice. Heat the oil over high heat. When the oil reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, turn to medium heat and add half of the drumsticks. This helps maintain the temperature. Let them cook for 10 minutes. Flip them halfway through cooking. Remove them. Repeat the same process with the other half. For the second frying, turn to high heat to reach 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the drumsticks for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Strain the oil so that it can be reduced 3 to 4 times. Bon appétit! The crust is also flavored with the spices and the aromatics, just like the chicken. And the meat is tender, juicy, well cooked, and very tasty. Thank you See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.